grip, underhand grip. Good. Internal rotation. External. Internal. External. When you internally rotate, the shoulder goes forward, down, and in. When you externally rotate, it comes back the opposite way. Internal rotation, external rotation. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold 1. Good. Reach forward. Reach up. Reach your knuckles to the sky. Work on your wrist mobility. Internal rotation and swing it across and hold. Don't let the hip go. Keep the hip pulling back. Feel the spinal twist. Keep your eyes on the screen. Good. And then you'll come around and we'll go into a slow helicopter. Come above the head. Go into a side bend. Go into a strike. Come back around.